with the next lightning talk, Places or Plazes? What is to tell me?
Places. Is there anyone in here who doesn't speak German? Okay, so I'll do it in English then. What's Places? Places is a grassroots and collaborative effort for location-based services, and it is born out of the need that most existing location-based services, even though there is a great demand for location-based services, are not working because of roaming issues, commercial issues. They're expensive. The providers, the mobile providers, try to make money off of it. And what we did is a very simple and pragmatic approach. We just said there is thousands and thousands and millions of LANs and Wi-Fi access points all over the world, and each of that local network equals a reference point in the geographic grid. So all we try to do is match that together, the local network with a unique identifier and the geographic position of that network. So basically what we say is location is your local network. You are where you are connected. So how does it work? It's really easy. As soon as you log into a network using a little program called the launcher, which we provide for Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. As soon as you log in, the network is being identified by the MAC address of the router, and a key is generated. That key then is connected in our database with annotations and comments you can provide. So basically, you name that network, you name the place, you can upload photos, you can put comments of it in there. So what we can provide for now is when you go to places.com, you use the launcher, you see who's at the same place. You can try it out for yourself. It's places.com/ccc. No, I believe it's 21C3. I'm not sure because I don't have a net here. You can see who's at the same place, who's in your vicinity within 2 or 5 kilometers or whatever, and you can see where your friends are. So you can see who's online at some place in Chile right now. We are in over 63, there's places in over 63 countries yet, and close to 3,500 places. The idea is how we annotate those places is pretty close to a wiki, so it's user-driven. You can comment whatever you want. Other people who are physically at the same place can edit that information. So not everybody can edit it as in a wiki, but you have to be there. So that way we circumvent issues like spam. So people can just put things in as long as they're not at that place. If you're here at this place, you can do with it whatever you want, but there's rollback functions. So in case someone puts in insignificant information. At this point, it's all on the web, places.com. We have an interface there. It's similar to Instant Messenger. You can see who's around you. You can write little messages and things like that. But we also have an API which enables you to write your, if you roll your own applications, like for example Instant Messenger, you're able to use the Places functionality. So if you write a unified Instant Messenger, you can actually location enable that Instant Messenger. And also if you have a web service, like for example you are going to write a search engine, you can location enable your search engine. So the results can be weighed according to where the person is who is looking for that information. Yeah, I recommend you just go look for yourself. Like I said, it's www.places.com, places with a Z. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next.